Hey guys, it's Shorty. I made this little Valentine's Day look for you guys, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first, I'm starting off with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. As always, I like to prime my whole lid. I actually really like this eyeshadow primer. I mean, I don't really see many people using it still, but it works for me and it picks up a lot of pigment and blends pretty nicely. I'm going in with my ColourPop Lilac You a Lot palette, and I'm using this really purple shade, Iffy. There is seriously so much pigment in this purple shade. Like, I would get the palette just for this shade of purple. So I'm just putting this purple on the very outer edges of my eye and winging it up as a cat eye. And I'm just first really getting the shape I like. Now I'm just kind of buffing out the edges just a little bit so it can blend nicely into the other shades we're going to use. So I'm going in with a little bit of a warmer shade called Filter, just a warmer purple, and I'm blending that over it and on the edges with a really loose, fluffy brush. I'm just really going back and forth with those two purples to just blend it out and get it to the shape I like. So I'm using my color board. I got it from Amazon, and these are all the colors it comes with, and it's like 16 bucks. We're going to be using that purple board and the orange board. So I mix those two shades together, a reddish orange and a really hot pink, and it got this super pretty like infrared hot pink color. And I'm blending that right on top of the purple, basically. Really packing it on because I'll blend it out later. I'm lightly bringing that hot pink into my crease a little bit, as you can see. And I'm just really working with those two colors together to make those colors pop. As you can see, the shape it's starting to take, I'm gonna be basing the whole look off of this shape I created. Putting some more hot pink on there, just really getting it pinky and deep. I'm using a small fluffy brush and I'm going in the shade Ghostin'. It's a really light pinkish purpley shade, and I'm just packing that on the outer parts of the shadow and buffing it out. This is a perfect shade to just buff everything out with. And then I'm using the shade Wake Me, and it's a really pinky shade with some blue reflex to it. It works a lot better if you just straight up use your finger. Now I'm going in with the shade Cloud, and I'm packing that on my inner corner. It's a little bit of a warmer shade, but it's so light that it looks really pretty with this look, and it's super sparkly. So now I am going to wing my eyeliner. I'm kind of doing, I guess you could say, like a bat wing or something for it. I wing my eyes for hooded eyes because my eyes are hooded. I really wanted to keep this in, like how I do my eyeliner, so you guys can see and like maybe practice how you do it or something. I don't know. Low key, I could have stopped here and it would have been cute, but I kept going. I am using the Stila Micro Tip waterproof eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner, but I noticed the tip kind of like dries out or almost gets crusty, but honestly a lot of eyeliners do that. Like the felt tip pens do that a lot. So I'm just smoothing out everything on that eyeliner because I got the shape I needed. And with my eyeliner, I'm always looking straight normal with my eyes relaxed to see how it would be when I'm just like doing real life. I got these magnetic falsies. They're all super dramatic. I love them. Going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, the luminous one. I put my sunscreen on underneath this as well. Going in with the e.l.f. Hydro Concealer. It's not really my shade, but I was desperate. And a CoverGirl like darker concealer. I don't even know the brand. I'll link it down below. Well, I know the brand. I don't know what type it is. And yes, I do not use any foundation. I notice I actually love my makeup a lot more when I'm not wearing foundation. And I like having my skin to show through a little bit. And then I can put a lot of concealer on and not feel as bad about it because I'm not wearing a bunch of foundation. It's always so hard to blend out my bronzer when it's by my eyebrow. It is so hard, but that's because I always do my eyes first. Really working on that bronzer still, or contour, I guess. Just blending that eyeshadow up into my temples to make it a really like swoopy, pulled look. And really packing on that blush. Any blush will do. I probably should have used a cooler toned blush, but the eyes still are very warm toned. So now I'm going in with this like mauve-y nude lip liner, and I'm just gonna overline my lips. On camera, this lip liner looks really like orangey brown almost, but in real life it looks very mauve-y, nude toned. You'll see. I kind of like to contour my lips with my lip liner. I feel like that looks really pretty. And I'm honestly just going to throw some lip gloss over the top of this. You can see how warm this lip liner looks though. But first, I will blend it out with my finger a little bit. I'm not going to leave any harsh lines. Using the I Love You So Mochi highlighter by NYX. And this highlighter is a white highlighter with pinky pearls and golden pearl shift. So that is the look, guys. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.